The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is a captivating guide to natural healing, offering a treasure trove of knowledge about the medicinal properties of plants. It was meticulously written by Claude Davis and Dr. Nicole Apelian, both of whom have extensive experience in the field of herbal medicine. This book takes readers on a fascinating journey through the forgotten world of herbal medicine, exploring ancient practices and remedies that have been used for centuries. Published in 2019, it quickly gained popularity among those seeking natural alternatives for their health and well-being, becoming a go-to resource for many. The book appeals to a broad audience, from experienced herbalists to curious individuals interested in natural remedies, making it accessible to everyone. The book blends traditional knowledge with modern insights, creating a comprehensive guide that bridges the gap between old and new. It emphasizes the power of nature to heal, highlighting the incredible potential of plants to support our health. It provides practical advice and techniques, making it easy for readers to incorporate these remedies into their daily routines. The authors believe everyone can benefit from incorporating herbal remedies into their lives, promoting a holistic approach to health and wellness. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is more than just a guide to plants. It is a journey into the heart of nature, a journey that reconnects us with the world around us. It tells a story of our deep and intrinsic connection with nature, a bond that has been nurtured over millennia. It reminds us of the invaluable wisdom passed down through generations, wisdom that has shaped our understanding of the natural world. This ancient wisdom has been essential for our survival and well-being, providing remedies and cures long before modern medicine. The authors argue that modern society has become increasingly disconnected from this ancient knowledge, lost in the hustle and bustle of urban life. We have become overly reliant on pharmaceuticals, often overlooking the natural alternatives that have been used for centuries. However, nature offers a treasure trove of healing plants, each with unique properties and benefits. These plants can address a wide range of ailments, from minor cuts to chronic conditions. They can significantly improve our overall health and well-being, offering a natural path to vitality. The authors encourage readers to rediscover the power of these natural remedies, to embrace the healing potential that nature provides. A key aspect of the book is its detailed descriptions of various herbs, providing readers with a wealth of knowledge about each plant's unique characteristics and uses. Readers learn how to identify these plants in their natural habitats, ensuring they can recognize them in the wild. The authors provide clear instructions, making it easy for even beginners to understand and follow. They explain how to harvest and prepare each plant safely, ensuring that the medicinal properties are preserved. They offer alternatives for those who may not have access to certain plants, suggesting substitutes that are equally effective. The book covers a wide range of common ailments, providing natural remedies that are easy to find and use. These include headaches, digestive issues, and skin conditions, offering natural solutions for everyday health problems. It also delves into more serious health concerns, providing in-depth information on how herbs can support overall well-being. These include heart health and diabetes, highlighting the potential of herbs in managing chronic conditions. For each ailment, the authors suggest specific herbs, detailing their benefits and how to use them effectively. They explain the healing properties of these plants, emphasizing their natural power and effectiveness. They offer guidance on dosage and preparation, ensuring that readers can safely and effectively use these natural remedies. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies goes beyond theoretical knowledge. It showcases real-life examples of herbal remedies. It includes testimonials from individuals who have experienced the benefits. For instance, the book shares the story of a woman who used chamomile tea to alleviate her anxiety. Another example highlights the use of aloe vera to soothe burns. By showcasing these real-life applications, the authors make the concept of herbal healing more relatable. They demonstrate the tangible impact these remedies can have on our lives. The book provides practical advice for incorporating herbal remedies into our daily routines. It includes recipes for herbal teas, tinctures, and salves. These recipes are easy to follow. They use readily available ingredients. The authors emphasize the importance of sourcing herbs responsibly. They encourage readers to grow their own herbs whenever possible. This practice ensures the quality and freshness of the plants. It also deepens our connection with nature. The book also includes tips for storing herbs. This helps preserve their potency and effectiveness. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies emphasizes a holistic approach to health. It encourages readers to view their well-being as a balance of physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects. While herbal remedies play a vital role, The authors stress the importance of other lifestyle factors. These include a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management. By addressing all aspects of our well-being, we can create a harmonious and healthy life. The book reminds us that true healing comes from within. Enjoyed the video? Hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content.